Welcome, UCN Biz Group, the power of collaborative networking and integrated marketing services. Are you visible? Where and when are you? How do you get higher SEO ranking? And more so, what keeps you at the top? Create, attract, network, connect. Attraction wins over promotion every time. With the GROWTHZONE system, we're putting the unity back in community. We're here to invite you to next week, the second module of learning how to use your GROWTHZONE ChamberMaster system. Learn how to build your ChamberMaster, marketing your profiles to the maximum. Learn to maximize that profile. How to use ChamberMaster Marketing Hub system. Create the local deals and the member deals to promote and attract new business to your company. Integrate that all to your social media platforms and help build a visibility with the general public at large. We're looking forward to doing this next Tuesday, where you could be creating member-to-member deals that look like this and simply attracting people to walk in the doors of your business. People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. So we're here today to help you increase the use of your ChamberMaster system, whether you do it yourself or you hire one of our many services. We're UCN Biz Group, the power of collaborative networking and integrated marketing. We look forward to seeing you next Tuesday.